Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a common issue with carrier inverter AC units, the E1 error. Specifically, we'll be focusing on how to diagnose and test the temperature sensors, which are often the culprit behind this error code. So, what exactly does the E1 error mean? In simple terms, it indicates a problem with the indoor unit's temperature sensor. This sensor is crucial for the AC's operation, as it monitors the room temperature and relays this information to the control board. If the sensor malfunctions, the AC can't accurately gauge the room temperature, leading to operational errors and the E1 code. Let's get started. First, safety first. Before you do anything, ensure your AC unit is completely turned off and disconnected from the power supply. Safety is always the top priority. Now, locate the temperature sensors. They're usually found on the indoor unit. There's often one sensor that measures the room temperature and another that measures the coil temperature. You may need to consult your AC unit's manual to pinpoint their exact locations, as it varies depending on the model. Once you've found the sensors, the next step is to test them. You'll need a multimeter for this. Set your multimeter to the ohms setting. This setting allows you to measure the resistance of the sensor. Now, let's get into the testing process for the room temperature sensor. First, disconnect the sensor from the control board. Then, place the multimeter probes on the sensor's terminals. Note the reading on the multimeter. The resistance value should align with the temperature. You may need to consult the technical specifications for your AC unit model to know the expected resistance at a specific temperature. If the resistance value is significantly off from what's expected, or if the multimeter shows an open circuit, meaning no resistance, the sensor is likely faulty and needs replacing. However, if the resistance value seems correct, then the sensor is probably functioning properly. Next, the coil temperature sensor. The testing procedure is very similar to the room temperature sensor. Disconnect the sensor from the control board. Connect your multimeter, and note the reading. Compare the reading to the expected values in your unit's specifications. Again, a significant discrepancy indicates a faulty sensor. If the sensors check out okay, there might be other causes for the E1 error, such as issues with the control board or wiring. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components, it's best to call a qualified HVAC technician at this point. Let's talk about the replacement of a faulty sensor. Sensor replacement is generally straightforward. Simply disconnect the old sensor, remove it, and install the new one. Make sure you get the correct replacement sensor for your AC unit model. After replacing the sensor, reconnect the power and test your AC. Remember to refer to your AC unit's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. Always disconnect the power before working on any electrical components. Troubleshooting AC issues can be complex, so if you're ever in doubt, consult a professional. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.